Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toolbox for home use that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CRAFTSMAN 16-inch lockable toolbox. This compact 16-inch CRAFTSMAN box nails the basics for daily home use. It's lockable, so you can add a small padlock for safety around kids or shared spaces. The case feels sturdy, and the latch engages with a positive click that inspires confidence. It's sized right for a starter toolkit, yet it slips easily onto a shelf or in a closet. Inside, the removable tray helps you sort small items like screws, bits, and pencils. I like it for quick grab-and-go jobs where I only need a few hand tools. It's not a heavy-duty contractor chest, but that's the point. It keeps your essentials organized without taking up space. For many homes, this is a simple, reliable solution. Moving on, at number 4, we have the KingTool 276-piece set with 12V drill. This KingTool kit is a full spread, 276 pieces plus a 12V cordless drill. It comes in a storage case with a drawer, which helps keep bits, sockets, and drivers sorted. The drill is light and fine for everyday tasks like hanging shelves, assembling furniture, and light repairs. You get a lot of value if you need tools and storage in one bundle. I like this as a one-and-done starter kit for new homeowners or renters. The included accessories cover many common needs: measuring, fastening, light drilling, and small automotive touches. It's not designed for heavy-duty renovation work, but it handles routine home chores well. If you want the best toolbox for home use with a drill included, this is an easy pick. At number 3, we have the CRAFTSMAN 16-inch lockable toolbox. This black 16-inch CRAFTSMAN box is a clean, no-nonsense organizer. The lockable design is a plus if you keep tools in a shared garage or near curious hands. It's light, easy to carry, and sized for the tools you actually grab weekly. The simple interior keeps the clutter low and the essentials handy. Because it's compact, it's also ideal for task-specific kits. Set one up for bike care, one for picture-hanging hardware, or one for electrical odds and ends. If you don't want a big chest, this gives you neat control. For many households, it's the best toolbox for home use when you value simplicity and safety. At number 2, we have the Hantinstom 39-piece home tool kit. This Hantinstom kit is a light, basic set for small fixes. It includes the usual suspects: hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, a tape measure, and more. The plastic toolbox keeps everything together so you can carry it to the task. For first apartments or dorm rooms, it's a quick way to be prepared. I like it for gift giving and for those who don't need a drill yet. It won't replace a full workshop, but it shines for picture hanging, battery swaps, and furniture tweaks. It's a smart entry point if you're building your kit step by step. In many cases, it's the best toolbox for home use when you just want the basics at hand. And finally, at number 1, we have the 255-piece tool set with 12V drill and drawer. This 250-piece kit brings a 12V drill, sockets, bits, and plenty of hand tools. The integrated drawer-style storage keeps small parts from vanishing. For assembling furniture, hanging blinds, and quick repairs, it delivers the pieces you need. It's a nice balance of depth and simplicity for general DIY. The drill is best for light work, but that's perfect for homes where you need speed, not brute force. I like the variety of bits for all those odd screws you meet in flat pack builds. If you want a versatile, organized setup, this is a strong contender. It can be the best toolbox for home use when you want everything under one handle. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.